If your shower feels weak, scratchy, or kind of sad, do not start with a full bathroom remodel. Start with the one part that actually touches the water every single day. The shower head. This is a 5-minute shower head upgrade that can make a plain bathroom feel cleaner, newer, and more hotel-like. The important part is doing it honestly, with real parts, real prices, and no plumbing drama. For this hack, Amazon.com US research gave 3 practical routes for the same basic upgrade. The simplest pressure route used a SparkPod Chrome rain shower head at $35.14. If you want the filtered hard water story, the lower cost captured combo was the near moon filtered handheld rain set at $43.99. The recommended route was the HOPOPRO filtered dual shower combo at $59.99. A roll of DNix PTFE plumber's tape was $3.65 in the saved Amazon evidence. So the honest range is about $38.79, $47.64, or $59.99. Before you buy anything, check the connection, the finish, the spray type, and what is included in the box. Most replacement shower heads use a standard half-inch shower arm connection, but the listing still matters. Look for washers, tape, filter cartridges, a handheld hose, and whether the product says tool-free installation. Do not buy only from the prettiest product photo because the seal matters more than the shine. Buy the shower head that matches your shower arm, your water problem, and the look you actually want. Now get the bathroom ready before you touch the old head. Turn the shower off fully and let the water stop dripping. Put a folded towel on the tub floor or shower floor. That towel protects the finish if the old head slips, and it catches any little washer that falls out. If the old shower head is only hand tight, grip it with your hand and turn it counterclockwise. If it is stuck, use a wrench gently with a cloth between the wrench and the chrome. This is not a strength contest. The goal is to loosen the old head without twisting the shower arm inside the wall. Once the old head comes off, stop and inspect the exposed threads. Old tape, mineral crust, or a damaged washer can make the new head leak even when the new product is fine. Peel off the old tape slowly so you do not leave shreds behind. Wipe the threads clean with a cloth and clean only the exposed metal threads, not the wall opening. You want clean, dry threads before the new seal goes on. If your new shower head instructions say not to use tape, follow that instruction. Some kits seal with a rubber washer instead, and extra tape can make the fit worse. If tape is needed, start the PTFE tape on the male threads. Wrap it clockwise so it does not unwind when the new head tightens. Use 2 or 3 smooth wraps pulled snug but not stretched into a rope. Keep the tape flat, neat, and away from the very first opening so no loose piece gets pushed into the water path. Now line up the new shower head straight before you tighten anything. Start it by hand and stop immediately if it does not thread smoothly. Cross-threading is the mistake that turns a 5-minute upgrade into a repair problem. When the threads catch correctly, turn by hand until it is snug. Do not crush it, and do not keep tightening because you are nervous. Most leaks are fixed by clean threads, the right washer, and a calm final turn, not by forcing metal. Turn the water on slowly and watch the joint first, not the spray pattern. If you see water beading at the connection, turn the water off and check the washer, tape direction, and thread alignment. If the joint stays dry, then look at the spray. You should see a more even pattern, a cleaner faceplate, and a bathroom that suddenly feels more finished. For a simple apartment upgrade, the basic chrome rain head is the cleanest look. For a more spa-like feel, a rainfall and handheld combo gives you more control. For hard water areas, a filtered combo can make the upgrade more useful, especially if mineral buildup made the old head look tired. Just remember that filters are not magic, they need replacement cartridges, and that cost belongs in the real decision. The mistake to avoid is treating this like decoration only. A shower head is part of the plumbing path, so the look matters, but the seal matters more. Use real US prices, use a product with the right connection, clean the threads, and wrap tape only when the instructions allow it. Hand thread first, leak test before celebrating, and keep the cost card honest. Done carefully, this is one of the fastest bathroom upgrades. No tile work, no contractor, no messy demo. Just the right part, a clean thread, and a dry joint. Then the reward is a cleaner shower line, a better daily routine, and a bathroom that feels upgraded without a remodel. Choose handheld if rinsing the shower, pets, or kids matters. Choose filtered if mineral buildup is the real reason your old shower looked tired. Choose simple chrome if you want the cleanest visual upgrade. Done carefully, this is one of the fastest bathroom upgrades. No tile work, no contractor, and no messy demo. Just the right part, a clean thread, and a leak test. Do not over-tighten just because the new head looks expensive. The connection decides whether this upgrade is actually successful. If the joint stays dry, the hack passes the real test. Then the better spray is the reward. The bathroom looks more intentional, the shower feels more useful, and the whole upgrade still fits inside a small home hack budget. That is the real luxury, a better daily routine without a remodel.